Generate a photorealistic image of a dog surfing in Tokyo in under 30 seconds with nothing but a sentence? That's not a dream. That's Nano Banana 2. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, right here on Artlist. Nano Banana 2, now in pro quality, flash speed, and cheap rate. That's the promise. Let me show you how to use it. Let's dive in. Head over to artlist.io. This is Artlist's hub for all AI generation. Video, image, voiceover, all in one place. Scroll through the image featured models, and you'll see Nano Banana 2. That's our model. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Now click on the AI toolkit. Select Image option. Select the model Nano Banana 2. Same pro quality, but at a fraction of the credit cost. More images, same budget. Okay, I'm going to show you 6 real use cases that cover almost every creative workflow you'll encounter. Use case 1. Product images. Instead of booking a studio shoot, just type Militia Recovery Serum, dark blue dropper bottle with gold cap, product photography style. Select the aspect ratio as 1:1, select the quality as 2K, where Nano Banana 2 supports up to 4K resolution. Hit this arrow. Okay, under 1 minute, the result is here. Look at that deep navy blue against the white marble. The contrast is absolutely striking. You can generate video from this image, or you can edit, change the background, the lighting, the angle, just by typing. You can recreate or even upscale. So zero setup, zero cost. But a professional product is ready. Use case 2. Architecture. Whether you're visualizing a building concept or exploring architectural styles, Nano Banana 2's world knowledge makes it exceptional here. Try exterior of a modern house with floor-to-ceiling glass walls, surrounded by pine trees. Now select the aspect ratio as 16:9. Hit Generate. It genuinely looks like a shot from an architectural magazine. Use case 3. Consistent characters. This one is a storyteller's dream. Nano Banana 2 can maintain the appearance of up to 5 characters across multiple scenes. Type a funny 6-panel storyboard showing 2 friends trying to make the world's biggest pizza. Okay, it has 6 different panels. Now select the aspect ratio and click Generate. Look at this. The same boy and girl. They never change. Both reading a recipe book. Flour explosion. Cheese avalanche. Oven catches fire. A perfect giant pizza. Both sitting with an enormous pizza slice. That level of consistency used to take a professional illustrator hours of manual work. Now, it's one prompt. Use case 4. Infographics. You can turn any concept or data into a stunning visual in seconds. Type an infographic illustrating the journey of a coffee bean from farm to cup. Here it is. Every icon is clean and perfectly spaced. This could go straight onto a cafe wall or a brand's website. Use case 5. Comic book style. This is one of the most fun things you can do with Nano Banana 2. Type a female superhero standing on the edge of a New York City rooftop at night, shooting massive lightning bolts down at enemies on the street below. Look at that. Sparks exploding everywhere. This isn't just a pose. This is a story moment. Use case 6. Up to 14 reference images. Here, upload 14 reference images. Every single character is perfectly placed. For brand teams and agencies, this is a complete game changer. Editing and transforming images. You can totally transform the vibe of any image. Play with camera angles, change the background, add elements, all while preserving the details you love. Here's what I'm working with. On the left, a clean neutral portrait. On the right, Van Gogh's Starry Night. I'm going to upload both. Type, take the texture and color from this reference and apply it to the portrait subject. Same subject, completely new aesthetic, in seconds. And one more thing, resizing. Nano Banana 2 lets you resize your image to any format, resolutions from 512 pixels all the way up to 4K. Perfect for repurposing content across every platform. And that's a wrap. Nano Banana 2 isn't just a faster model, it's a smarter one. And having it inside Artlist's creative ecosystem makes it one of the most complete creative setups available right now. Head over to Artlist and try the smartest model, Nano Banana 2. Link in the description. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to get more updates. See you in the next one.